This example here, we will go over the products that we do have through Paybotics. Paybotics, they are our ISO. So essentially, in short, Paybotics works with all the card brands, and Cashflow Network sits right under them in communication. So they handle all the compliance. We're there as agents below that under Cashflow Network. So that's who Paybotics are. Now, as you go into this sheet, this is the ordering sheet. We have it broken down in different segments: cash discount devices, point of sale systems, terminals, paper and accessories, gateways, and the bar sheet. I won't go over every single one of them, but I will go through the website so you're able to kind of get a sense of what type of hardware we could provide. One thing that I like to tell our merchants is that we're not stuck to one piece of hardware. For us, we are more about the program and the type of services we could provide outside of the type of hardware. For example, I know many of us have heard about Clover, seen Clovers around. There's a lot of agents that specify in Clover hardware. Us, we have the ability to just get a range of different type of brands. So all depends on the business and their needs. That will depend on the type of hardware we order them. So as you can see here, the featured products, the ones on top, this is kind of the go-to, should I say, right? You got the Clover Flex, you got some Valors, PAX, Deja Vu, etc., right? Now imagine, one of these devices could only cost $225, but make you residually that or up to $500 to $1,000 a month on this initial investment, right? So, and in regards to POS, we have the ability to pick different POSs outside of this specific catalog. So if you have, let's say, a gym or a certain type of restaurant, a liquor store that require POS, feel free to reach out and we'll work together to see what is the best offer we could provide them. Again, not every device could do the cash discount program, but at least in this catalog, these are the devices we do have easily accessible to us. A bunch of Clovers, a Valor, Deja Vu, etc., right? Even a POS system here. Once you get into actually closing a merchant, I'll be able to explain more deeply the ordering process here. This is just a little glimpse so you kind of see what to expect here. And this gives you a product detail outline of that product. Again, point of sale systems, you could click on the type of brand you want to look at. The terminals itself, which these are simple terminals as we discussed previously. These are point of sale systems. And then down here, well, these are the accessories and paper. These are our online gateways. Essentially where you use the gateways will be for e-commerce, merch sites, or even invoicing, such as compared to QuickBooks, those sort of things, right? It's a digital software that is set up on their computer where they don't need actual hardware to receive payments. We do have the ability to do advantage plans, which essentially means, let's say there's a standard terminal for $300 and you don't have that $300. You could be deducted $20 per month off your residual account paying for the terminal. Again, this is an advantage plan, meaning you won't pay it off. You're just lending it out, but it will be zero cost out of pocket for you. These are the different steps, right? If you get into POS, it could be a little bit more, Clover stations, etc. But we are able to customize it in any way. Also, going into a merchant and speaking with the merchant, you could always have them pay for the terminal. Personally, for example, for this one here, I paid it for that merchant, but that merchant account is going to make me way more than $725 a month. So you have that being said, you have the ability to kind of customize your package if you want to give free terminals. If you do not, it just all depends on the deal and their appetite for that account.